Okay, question. With all the stuff that's going on in the world, all the things, and your crypto prices going off a cliff, and all these other things, do I genuinely believe? Can I genuinely say the bottom's in, we're going up, and this is the time to get into the market? And the answer is I've never said that. There are some really, really amazing, just weird, coincidental similarities with the bottom in 2015, and in general, the kind of things that you see when the market bottoms. That does not mean the price can't go lower than $25,500. Different things. The opportunity, that is one thing. Price goes up, that is a different thing. Just different things, right? Price is not opportunity. Now, I think there's another question that I feel like is insinuated a little bit, which is the concern or the fear that you're going to buy and you're just going to keep going lower and lower and lower forever. So, yeah, I mean, look, right now, the overall investment environment in the world sucks. It's terrible. It's terrible. The way I manage that is I have, you can see my portfolio strategy. I'll give you a link down there. The way I deal with that is I always try to keep my bets spread across different types of investments so when one does well, the other one might not do well, but at least there's an opportunity to rebalance. There's just in general, there's balance in the portfolio, but in a way where you can capture the upside without losing too much downside. With altcoins too, right? It's by a fixed amount, and that's it. If that thing goes to zero or infinity, that's the fixed amount. That's it. That's how I manage the risk. That way I don't have to take profits on the way up. I can let just these cycles go up and down. Some will die. And then you ride the wave just like people rode Bitcoin for 13 years. Maybe I'll ride another project for 13 years. And because that allocation is fixed, that limits the downside without having to take profits, which will limit my upside. For anyone that wins, if I start taking profits, well, those winners will keep running and I just keep losing money. So instead of that, it's just a different way to approach things. So there are a lot of ways you can approach this market. The prices, if you're in altcoins, some of those altcoins will go down forever. Bitcoin, highly unlikely, incredibly unlikely, whether we bottomed or not. So if you feel like, I'm talking about every payday, putting money into altcoins, right? That's what I'm doing. Every payday, put a little money into altcoins. I also put a little money into paying down my line of credit. And also a little money for spending. And also a little, just a balance. That doesn't mean you have to do it that way. There are risks that come with that approach that I'm taking too. But it's just the way it just makes me feel, okay, I'm the tortoise, right? Crypto's full of hairs. I'm the tortoise. Slow and steady wins the race. So I guess the main point that I would drive home is, if you are concerned about the macro environment, don't let that keep you from taking advantage of the opportunity that you have in crypto right now. When the market is low, when the market is uncertain, and you're getting amazing discounts. And maybe we go lower, maybe the bottom's in, but the point is when you take the long view, given the volatility of this asset, even if it goes down another 50%, well, we've seen that in bull markets. You've seen that in up 50%, down 50%, up 30%, down 30%. Bull markets, bear markets, when you put that marginal dollar in, or whatever your currency is, that volatility remains regardless of price, whether you put it in at 50 or 20 or wherever, anywhere in between. Just understand the opportunity is there, and that is really what it comes down to. And there are risks in everything. It's all about opportunity, not about price, and not about the overall financial, global, macro environment. It all sucks. It's all risky, and it's just a shitty time to have money that you want to put into something. And we're just gonna have to, go through it, bear whatever burden we need to make it through, and hopefully we'll turn out better on the other side. Relax and enjoy the ride.